2,000 years later.
Right, so this morning we are continuing with the timing belt removal. So we've been through this bit, we've taken off this camshaft timing belt upper cover. We've locked the cams in place with the locking tool, and we're pretty much as far as here. So removing the crankshaft pulley, that's been done. You can check that in the video just up here. And so we've already taken out these two bolts. They came out no problem with the Milwaukee tool. However, this one's being a little bagger. So it's rusty and it's rounded off. I don't know if the last person who put this back on just went hell for leather and nuts and whatever, but yeah, so I've had to buy a set of these Irwin Bolt-Grip 5-piece extension set with French and Spanish probably. It grips and removes damaged nuts and bolts. So it's this one I think I need, as it's an 8mm bolt. So I'll be giving them a go, and hopefully, yeah, let's get on with it. Right, so I apologise for the terrible angle. So, and it turns out we can't even get the thing on. Wow, awesome. Right. So what we're going to do is ditch the ratchet and try and just see if we can't get this on here. I apologise for the angle, but you can kind of see there's just no room to get a ratchet in between here and here. I just can't get on in, so I'm going to use the flats on the side of the socket. Just feel quite positive when you push that on, and I am mindful that you're supposed to tap that on so it bites when you turn it. I just can't get anything in, so let me go get a pigging spanner. So we've got the old adjustable, and we'll give it a go. Hopefully it'll just come straight off. Not the socket. Right. Apply under pressure. Hopefully. Well, it is biting into it, to be fair. What I will do is I'll get another spanner. I'll try and get another spanner up in here, just to put some pressure on. Has it done it? Has it done it? Now I need to get this socket off because I'm not having room to... interesting. Interesting. I can't actually get the thing out now. Yeah, man. Go on, you bloody thing. So these are actually really good. One thing to bear in mind is when you do have, when you do take these out, there isn't that much room. It's actually it can be quite difficult to get this socket off the bolt once it's actually bit into it, which is interesting. But yeah, did the job.